How to measure and install a SecureView security screen to a Comalco OX sliding door with custom tracks. Before starting with the measurements, check the accessories you'll need for this installation. For this one, we need a Comalco receiver channel, a top track, a flat interlock, an F interlock and a bug strip. We start by measuring the width from the inside of the jam channel to the back edge of the centre mullion. This measurement is 1,365 millimeters. A clever person designed the Comalco receiver channel so that when combined with a standard flat interlock, no deductions or additions are needed. A flat interlock adds 15 millimeters, while this receiver deducts 15 millimeters, resulting in the measured size being the manufactured size. Measure the height from inside of the top track, placing the measuring tape from the bottom edge of the existing top hung roller to the bottom pip track. Measurement is 2,035 millimeters. For this installation, we'll deduct 22 millimeters for the manufactured size of 2,013 millimeters. Measure the lock height from the bottom pip track to the top of the existing lock for your lockbox bottom. The measurement is 1,120 millimeters. For the security screen, add 30 millimeters for a manufacturing size of 1,150 millimeters. Measuring the receiver jam. Measure the receiver from the top hung track to the bottom edge of the track. Measurement is 2,053 millimeters. Cut to size. Fix off the track to the jam with panhead screws. Measure the top sliding door track, measuring from the added receiver jam fin to the back edge of the track. Measurement is 2,638 millimeters. Cut to size. Install snapping into position and fix off with small tapping screws. Installing the door. First, attach the top guides. Then lift the door into position. Adjust the wheels for squareness. Install the lock and face plates, then insert the strikers. Engage the lock to peel the tape and close the door. Unlock the door to reveal the strikers and fix the screws. To measure the flat interlock position, close the security door and mark the back edge with Nico on the glass. Remove the door to measure the interlock. Measurement is 2,015 millimeters. Cut the flat interlock to size and fix off to the glass door with pop rivets. Reinsert the security door and measure the F interlock. The measurement is 1,930 millimeters. Cut to size and fix off with security screws. Finish by measuring and cutting the bug strip with the door in a closed position. Add pile, crimp the ends and fix off with self-tapping screws. Well done! Another successful Starline Security installation. To become a Starline Security Dealer, please contact us.